Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Want to see what I'll make with these? Stay tuned to my channel today and you will find out. This has to go with the No New November Junk Journal Challenge. You'll see. It's day 4. Come see what I'll make with these. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I go live or when I do a premiere. Happy craft. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.